3, 2.
You didn't say 1, man. What's up?
Come on, you go when I point. It's like the news.
How you doing, folks? I'm Glenn, and this is Glenn's Workshop. Wait, cut.
What's the matter?
Wrong name. How you doing, folks? My name's Cliff, and this is Cliff's Workshop. As you can see, I got a wobbly chair here, so first thing we have to do is assess what the problem is, and what we have is we have a leg that's a little too long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take just a little bit off one of the legs. Cut.
Oh, man.
Oh my God. What are we gonna do with that thing?
Not that big of a deal. Well, this is not a big deal. Been there, done that before. All we gotta do is shave a little bit off one of the legs and we're all good.
This is not how you level a chair. To learn how to properly level a chair, click the link below. And while you're there, you can visit and watch our other amazing videos. Good luck.
Nailed it.